this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys exactly how to grow SMS subscribers or email subscribers. I've been getting a lot of questions from you guys asking me make a video about how to grow SMS subscribers because I feel like that's what people want the most. So I'm like, let me just make a video basically showing them how to grow their SMS list. As you can see, this growing man, we have over 7 figures of subscribers. Let me give it a quick refresh. So still there, and yeah, let's get right into the video. How to grow your clothing brand's SMS subscribers. So the first thing you have to do is set up a sign up form. And how do you set up a sign up form? Go to Omnisend, go to Postscripts, go to Klaviyo, either what you're using, you can set up a sign up form. It's easy. I'm not going to go too much in depth on how to set up a sign up form. So these are some examples of like good converting email and SMS sign up forms. As you can see, these are some examples of good email and SMS subscribers. This, I know, this converts like crazy. Black Friday sign up for early access, the biggest sale in the history of our brand with the timer. Like, I know this converts like crazy. You put in their name, your email, and your phone number. For you don't have to put in name. You can just put in email and phone number. If you want, you can just do phone number alone. And this is one of the ones we've made. This is very, very simple. Early access and exclusive discounts up to 25% off. So when you say up to 25%, you don't mean you're going to give them 25% right off the bat. You're going to give them up to maybe in the future. So have your sign up form look very good on converting. Like, just try to copy this text, copy the exact text in here, and then you put in the phone number, get early access. This converts like crazy. So yeah, let's go on how to actually grow your SMS, because you already have the sign up form where you actually do collect like the email and SMS. How do you drive traffic to the sign up form? How do you make people go to the sign up form and even sign up? So this is how you can do that. Number one, there's organic form of traffic. This is completely free. I'm going to be teaching you guys two methods on how you can grow your SMS list. So first, we're going to go for organic. So this is basically free, and this is just you posting. I know you probably know what this is, but I'm going to explain it more for you. So what you need to be doing is you need to be posting 3 to 4 videos a day, Instagram and TikTok. Both post at least 3 to 4. Because what I see a lot of people doing is they barely post on Instagram or on TikTok. And those people will be asking you, why is my SMS list not growing? What is wrong? What is wrong? What do I do? I go in the stuff, no posts, no consistency, nothing. Just like 2 videos only. Bro, you have to be posting 3 times a day, 4 times a day, bro. Even if you can't post 8 times a day, if you can though, if you can do it consistently, it's better to be consistent in something than just doing it today and stopping it tomorrow. The algorithm is gonna fuck you up. Alright, so after posting 3 to 4 videos a day, I'm gonna show you how you can make those like the traffic you're getting from the videos into SMS subscribers. So the first thing you should do is have your link in bio, have your website link in bio, have your sign up form link in bio, because that's what people do. They watch your video and then they go look at your bio and see what you have, like how they get the product. They go to the website and they see like it's closed, and you just incentivize them to sign up to the SMS list through your sign up form. So have your link in bio. And number second way you can grow your SMS list through like organically is story sequences. So when you actually do post like consistently 3 to 4 videos a day, you're getting some traffic. So some people will not sign up to the SMS list. And how you can convert those people that are following you but are not signed up is through story sequences. Story sequences basically are just stories you post on your Instagram. Basically just like writing something. For example, now you can tell them that the like drop is going to be very, very scarce. Like promote fear of missing out FOMO on the story and tell them this is the only way they can get it. They have to sign up to your SMS list, and you put in the link on the story, and you can just make them go there and sign up to the SMS list. Another way you can like make people sign up through is through captions. Tell them to sign up to your SMS, sign up to your VIP list in the link in bio for a 10% off when you drop. So people see your post, they look at the captions, and they see you incentivizing them through there. So they'll basically go and sign up. It's pretty much self-explanatory. So another way you can grow your SMS list, this is very goated. This is very, very goated. So what I see a lot of people do is they run traffic ads. Do not run no traffic ads. Those will just bring in like very lower lower quality type of traffic, and it will just fuck you up. Like if you optimize for traffic, Meta will get you traffic, not SMS signups. What you should actually do is run lead ads are like traffic but with steroids, because you are telling Meta to get you leads, and Meta will try to optimize as much as they can to get you the leads. And you also know the outcome. Traffic ads, you don't know how many people are signing up because you don't know how much you're spending for a sign up. But for leads, you can actually stay profitable because you know exactly how much you're spending for a single SMS subscriber, which is an actual lead. So how do you set up an actual lead ads? This is how you set up the lead ads. I've made a video on how to set up lead ads, so I'm not going to go too much in depth in this. The first step is you go to the ads manager, and then you click on create a leads campaign. Like you'll see a green bottom on the top left. If you are ran as you'll obviously know how to do this. You'll see like the button, and you click on it, it's going to be green, and then you choose like leads. You go for leads, and then you set up a sign up form on Facebook. Don't set up like your the website sign up form. That is just more friction. When you do actually set up a sign up form on Meta, number one, like the people sign up through Meta, they don't have to go to your website to sign up. So bro, it's just less friction and it's very easier for the customer. One thing you want to do when you're on a clothing brand is you do want to make stuff easier for your customers. So yeah, you just go ahead and publish it, and yeah, that's how you grow a SMS list in a very few minutes. So if you actually want to work with us, if you actually want to work on my agency, so we can run your paid ads, take care of your website, like really just take care of your whole backend, just apply using the link below so we can scale your clothing brand.